Everybody in the pool collaboration between 3 schools. My school improvement project started by meeting with the principal at Swansboro Elementary School and looking at the teachers' working conditions survey. We found that only 44% of our teachers felt the professional development was differentiated to meet the needs of teachers. Ms. Highsmith called 2 principals from Sand Ridge Elementary and Queens Creek Elementary to see if their teachers also needed more differentiated professional development. In fact, they did. Ms. Galante, the literacy facilitator, and I quickly began planning the ELA Early Release Professional Development. The principals decided we would rotate the professional development at each of the 3 schools so that teachers could showcase their school and best practices. We started at Swansboro Elementary School. We're a design thinking school, and I had each teacher pick a partner from another school and ask each other what problem they had before entering school. They each had to understand and define what their problem was and by using empathy. They then had to ideate, create ideas that would help their partner. At the end, they had to deliver a prototype to the other partner. The teachers had a great time getting to. After the introduction to our design thinking school, I began showing and displaying the Daily 5 Cafe model resources. Teachers were asked to write out what they think teachers and students are doing while the Daily 5 model is being implemented. Teachers from Queens Creek and Sand Ridge Elementary also shared what their Daily 5, which may include Daily 9, looks like in their classrooms. They also shared resources and ideas to use during the rotations. I then introduced the cafe. Teachers collaborated and placed the strategy cards under the cafe heading. Teachers were given time to discuss and reflect on what they had learned about the Daily 5 Cafe model. I wanted the teachers to get a feel for how flexible seating worked during the Daily 5 Cafe model. Some of our teachers at Swansboro Elementary School have just implemented flexible seating this year. We visited 1st and 2nd grade classrooms who are using the flexible seating. The students have really enjoyed it thus far this year. The teachers seem to have enjoyed it as well. The visiting teachers were thrilled that we were able to take a walk into what flexible seating might look like in their classrooms. The teachers from the 3 schools at the end of our professional development were able to collaborate and reflect on what they had learned. The literacy facilitator and technology facilitator and I developed a OneNote titled Brainiacs so that all the teachers at all 3 schools could share best practices throughout the school year for ELA.